Today, I'll be showing you how to play classic PSP games like God of War, Tekken, and a lot more with the PPSSPP Emulator. We'll also be showing you guys the best settings to apply to get the best performance and FPS when playing these games on your emulator. Now, simply start by opening your Google Play Store and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you are going to see the app, so go ahead and download it. But as for me, I'm using the gold version. So if you feel like, you can also use the gold version. Then also search for Z Archiver. You can see the app. I'm going to be explaining why you need this app pretty soon. So also install this app. Once you are done, go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator for the first time. When you open it for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. It's going to take you to your file manager. Just select any folder. As for me, I like you using the document section, so I'll use documents. I'll click use this folder. I'll click allow. Then I'll click OK. Now it's going to open the PSP interface. As you can see, there's no game in here to play. That's because we have not extracted any game. Now this is where we actually need the Z Archiver app. So open your Z Archiver app and locate your PSP game file. As for me, my game file is inside the download section. So you can see there's a game in here to play. So all I have to do is just tap on the game file just once. You see 3 extract options. You see extract here, extract to, and extract with the 3 dots. Now we're going to be using the third option, which is extract with the 3 dots. So I'll tap on it and then I'll go back to my main directory. I'll go to my documents, I'll go to my PSP folder, and then I'll go to the game section. Now I'll click on this button so to extract the game file that I need inside my PSP folder. So once I tap on it, you can see it have started the extraction process. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. As you can see, it is done extracting. So let's go and open our emulator again. So you can see there is no game in here to play. That's because the emulator do not even know where we kept the game file. So we have to show it. To do that, click the browse icon and go and show it where you kept your game file. If you remember, it's inside the document section in here. So we just click on use this folder, allow, and just like that, the game is ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings to give you best performance, best FPS, and stuff like that when you are playing PSP games or your Android device. Now I'm going to be recommending a dedicated video for that at the end of this video. So just stick to the end of this video so you can actually access that. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Get ready for the next one.
Time to die.
Round 1. Fight. KO. You win. Round 2. Fight.
What a nuisance.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.